where the prosecution wants to use a confession in a trial against somebody. If the person says, as Vinson Ariste said, that the confession was obtained by oppression, the prosecution has a responsibility, a burden, a onus, a duty. They must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the police didn't get the confession in that way. It then goes down and it defines what constitutes oppression. So oppression includes torture, inhuman or degrading treatment, and the use of threats of violence, whether or not amounting to torture. So that's what gave the judge in the trial that Vinson Ariste was in the responsibility to have the voir dire. And that's what we're going to talk about now, the voir dire, because after the Privy Council looked at what the Bahamian law said, it then went back and looked at this trial within the trial, the voir dire, to look at the judge's decision making. Because Vinson is saying that it was wrong for the judge to allow this confession